layer of smog enveloped Delhi, Noida, Ghaziabad, other parts of NCR, causing a significant drop in visibility this morning. According to the Central Pollution Control Board, the air quality index has now reached the severe category. The smog combined with shallow to moderate fog and mist led to reduced visibility during the early morning hours. Smog also impacted rail and air traffic, limited visibility as far as the ground situation is concerned. Let's get you the latest updates and the reports.
With the dip in temperature, a thick layer of smog has engulfed the sky of Delhi. Right now, we are reporting from Pandit Pant Marg in central area, which is said to be a very green VVIP area. But you can see the situation over here, how the thick layer of smog has engulfed the whole area. That particular building, you can see, if you come over here on a normal day, you can easily see that building. But as of now, it is covered with thick, dense fog. Now, we know for a fact that how the temperature in Delhi, according to the IMD, has gone down. And perhaps that is why this thick layer of smog has engulfed Delhi. Now, every year it's the same story. From past 9 to 10 years, it has been the same story that with the onset of winters, when the temperature goes down, a thick layer of smog engulfs the Delhi NCR, and in the end, people of Delhi suffer due to this. Now, we can expect that the temperature will further go down, and hence this particular layer of fog can remain throughout the day. So in the end, the people of Delhi are suffering. The AQI in many parts of Delhi have gone down to 400, which is very, very severe. The health experts have clearly said that elderly and young children should not go out in this particular weather. And we also know for a fact that how the Aam Aadmi Party and the BJP, they are playing blame game. The BJP says that it's been the same story from past 10 years. The Yamuna gets polluted, the sky of Delhi gets polluted, the AQI touches the mark of 400, but no action is being taken by the Delhi government, while the Delhi government blames the stubble burning from the neighboring states of Uttar Pradesh and Haryana.
Well, political blame game again, that has now taken over as far as today's dip in temperature that has also been seen, because the BJP is now saying that Delhi has virtually changed into a gas chamber. This is how the BJP is hitting out at the Aam Aadmi Party government.
The national capital is completely choking right now. A thick layer of smog has completely blanketed areas of Delhi and NCR. We're being joined by BJP spokesperson Mr. Shehzad Poonawalla. Shehzad, thank you for speaking to us at Times Now. You're wearing a mask, and we are clearly choking here in the national capital. The air has become extremely poisonous. There is a lot of politics speaking over it. Aam Aadmi Party, BJP, both trading blames at each other.
आज दिल्ली गैस चेंबर बन चुकी है। AQI 600-700 पार है, और आप देख सकते हैं, यू कांट सी पार्लियामेंट। आप देख सकते हैं कि ये पूरे विजय चौक के इलाके में नॉर्थ ब्लॉक, साउथ ब्लॉक, और हम 9:30 के आसपास 10 बजे पहुंचे हैं, तब भी ये दिखाई नहीं दे रहा। मतलब कि आज दिल्ली इतनी प्रदूषित है, और जो लोग दिवाली को दोष देते थे, आज तो दिवाली नहीं है, तो हिंदुओं को दोष देने का क्या मतलब हुआ? पंजाब की पराली, जिसको एक समय पर आम आदमी पार्टी ब्लेम करती थी, आज 6000 से ज्यादा घटनाएं हो चुकी है पंजाब पराली की जलने की, उसके ऊपर एक शब्द नहीं। स्मोक टावर मैंने जाकर चेक किया, आई चेक द स्मोक टावर, वो बंद पड़ा हुआ है। 24 करोड़ रुपए वेस्ट। दिल्ली के अंदरूनी कारण है पोल्यूशन के, उसके ऊपर कुछ नहीं। यमुना जी कितनी प्रदूषित है, 7000 करोड़ रुपया वहां पर कहां चला गया? 2025 तक क्लीन होने वाली थी, कोई जवाब नहीं। तो वायु हो या पानी हो, दोनों जहरीले हैं, दोनों प्रदूषित है। और आज कोई सुबह वॉकिंग के लिए नहीं आया है, जॉगिंग के लिए नहीं आया है, क्योंकि आप इस हवा में आओगे तो आपके आंखें और आपके फेफड़े, ये दोनों खराब हो जाएंगे, आपको रेस्पिरेटरी और डिसऑर्डर हो जाएगा।
Well, even when it comes to Delhi, that has been choking again. Let's get you the live updates from Sabyasachi and Isha, who are both joining us live right now, because Sabyasachi, we have the latest figures, if we can talk about right now, which suggest at around 10:05 a.m. what the AQI in the national capital and adjoining areas is looking like, because Anand Vihar, it is said to be one of the hotspots. It has crossed over 400. Bhavana, it's around 394. Chandni Chowk around 332. Jahangirpuri is 399. We are looking at all of these areas which are said to be hotspots. And Sabyasachi, already when it comes to the air quality index, it is hitting the severe mark.
Well, that's right. See, the air quality index in the national capital is hitting the severe category, and the entire national capital, Delhi, and the NCR region has turned into a gas chamber. We are reporting from ITO, and behind me you can see it is past 10:30, but till now there's a thick smog covering the entire national capital region. Now, on the other hand, water sprinklers, waters are being thrown on the road to reduce the pollution level. But clearly, because of the increase in the pollution level here in the national capital, many of the residents of Delhi have raised concern regarding health issues. Many of them have irritation in their eyes, in throat and running nose, as well as the Supreme Court, looking at the condition of the national capital, stated that the decrease in the air quality index and the toxic air is impacting the life of the people of the national capital as per the constitution. So clearly it's been past 10:30, but the picture is still the same. The visibility has come down. There has been decrease in the visibility and difficulties in breathing. So clearly the people of the national capital have to breathe in this toxic air year after year. But the government, be it the central government or the state government, engage in war of words. But it is the people of the national capital who has to bear the brunt of it and continuously breathe in this toxic air.
Right. So even when it comes to people who are forced to breathe in this toxic air, whether be it the children, the elderly, and even people who are healthy, who have no respiratory issues or diseases, this is like an open invite to them. Let's go across to Isha now. Isha, joining us from Vijay Chowk. You had leaders from the BJP also turning up there to exactly point out that how Delhi, especially today, when the people woke up this morning, has virtually turned into a gas chamber. Isha.
Right, Amita. So we did speak to BJP national spokesperson Shehzad Poonawalla, and he did state that the number of people who would essentially come out to areas in central Delhi did not come out today because there was fog and there was a lot of moist fog and moist, which further created a completely smog-like situation here. But showing you around here, behind me is the parliament, but you can see that we're not able to see it properly because this entire area is blanketed with a smog. In fact, the humidity is also extremely high. And request my camera person Ankit to zoom in as to show you as to how unclear the parliament is looking right now because of the extreme smog-like conditions. In fact, not just the parliament, you can see towards the other side as well. This is the iconic fountain at the Vijay Chowk. Requesting my camera person to show you the iconic fountain towards my right side as well, which we are unable to see clearly. And you can see people are turning up, but usually these parks are filled. Usually these parks are filled in the morning, but people are not coming because of how toxic the air has become. Sabyasachi was also pointing out that the AQI
So with the dipping level of visibility as well, it is also impacted as far as public transportation is concerned, whether be it air traffic or even rail. We'll get you the updates as far as Isha filing a ground report on this morning situation, the smog situation, how we looked like for Delhi NCR.
It's seeming like a really chilly morning in the national capital, but it's actually the smog that has completely blanketed the entire area and parts of NCR as well. Currently, we're reporting from central Delhi, where you can see that a thick layer of smog has completely blanketed the road ahead. You can see that we're unable to we're also zooming in, we're unable to see through the layer of smog. In fact, there are about 3 cars that are coming from a front, and all that we can see is their flashlights. And it's November, this is not even December, and the national capital is feeling so chilly, and it's seeming like the temperatures have dropped, but the temperatures have not dropped. This is just the air pollution. In fact, the Delhi High Court has also now pulled up the Delhi government for not being able to manage the smog-like conditions and also the pollution in the Yamuna. In fact, the disruption index for arrivals and departures at the Delhi airport are also going up, but which essentially does mean that this is the smog which is creating problems in the national capital. But also